you know that Jamaican World Cup striker Walter Boyd has a world record that cannot be broken? This happened when he was sent off 0 seconds after coming on as a substitute for his club Swansea in a match against Darlington in November 1999. With 7 minutes remaining, Boyd was brought on, but was immediately red-carded by referee Clive Wilkes for a foul on Darlington's Martin Gray, who tried to impede him before play had restarted. This will go into the record books as 0 seconds as the match had not yet restarted. So Walter Boyd has the unbreakable world record of the fastest red card in football history.